Akineana ngoge ĩno, baruthi wa gĩkundi gĩa kĩmabũrũri gĩa kũgacĩrithia thayũ Emmanuel Nkweke augĩte ngoge ĩno yumanĩte na wĩra wa Matangi ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩonekana makĩria harĩ gũkinyanĩria gĩthomo kĩa natharĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu.
So much good news about you, particularly on the SDG 4 that talks about education. We have good news are spread around the continental base of Africa, both on sub-regional and regional, right from West Africa, right from Southern Africa to Central Africa, and even here in East Africa. We have found a man who is doing well in promoting early child education, and that is you.
Athiĩte na mbere na kuuga atĩ nĩ megũkorwo makĩendekithia Ngabana wa Matangi kũrutithania wĩra na honge cia kĩmabũrũri harĩ gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra citiganĩte.
Not only going to be the peace ambassador to our international organization, you're also going to be an ambassador representing the good people of Kenya and Africa. You are the first governor to have this award here in this country. The first.
Hĩndĩ ya kwamũkĩra ngerenwa ĩno wa Matangi augĩte atĩ ihinda rĩa mĩaka ĩna thirikari yake nĩ ĩhotete gwaka irathi 512 njerũ cia natharĩ na kũrĩa arongoririe kũhingia irathi 550 ica rĩtarĩ coho.
We've done quite a lot. Thank you so much. On the education sector, we have successfully built, operationalized, and are now running 512 ECD schools in this country, built in 3 years in our county in Kiambu. We started from zero. Now we've done 512. We should be finishing the whole of that work in the next 3 months.
Augĩte muoroto wake nĩ kũhe aikari a kaunti ya Kiambu ũtungata ũtarĩ na mageca thĩinĩ wa honge ngũrani.
Given this power to lead our people. The question that binds my mind all the time is, supposing I was them, then what would I want to be done unto me? And that is my guiding principle. I accept my appreciation. And we shall treasure this, and to know that somebody somewhere sees what we are doing and they know that we are doing a good job.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu niĩ njĩtagwo Werũ wa Mwangi.